An other piece. This came out from the paper sorting section, which is not the main photocopier, it's an additional unit. Definitely a stepper motor here, some belts, a device here. I have not been able to determine what this is. Quick searches with the model number, it's an all outdated photocopier, so I'm not getting any good information easily, but who knows what it is. It's weird, quite weird thing. Yeah, some little pieces here. I'll have to see how this moves. There's this wheel here, and if it's turned, it basically moves the whole device across. Right. So yeah, this moves, turns, and comes on the side here. So it does a weird thing. It goes across and it comes back. So let's open it. Let's have a look. Let's see if we can figure out what the hell this thing is. It took 2 minutes. Pressing this, flipped up, this came out. As soon as this came out, it became blatantly obvious. This is a staple machine. It staples the copies. Very interesting copier. I guess it was quite a high-end model. Yeah, stapler. Right. I'm still gonna open it up now and see if you could figure out what's inside, a little bit of how it works, but yeah, that actually took a couple seconds. That's even more interesting. I was wondering why these staples were that long. It did look very long, you know. Why? This thing bends and makes the staples out of full-length long ones. That's different. I haven't seen a stapler that bends its own staples. It's even more interesting. If you look at this, some serious gain going on there. This is actually a 24 volt 1.58 amp motor, so that's almost 40 watts. This is a fairly strong motor. That's going to be interesting by itself. An optical sensor here. What else we got? Well, not sure what this shape is about. Let's strip it down some more. Couple wires here. So 3 would have been for the sensor, 2 would have been for this motor. Not sure what else I have in here. So let's continue. Let's see what we can get again. So the motor was sealed behind a clear plastic. Finding the correct pins to show how this thing actually works and how it staples is a bit of a pain in the ass. So what I'm basically doing is clamp this down because I really only have one free hand. I do not have a mount for this camera, cell phone. So let me see if I can show how this thing works. Right. So this is it now starting, coming up. It turns, it clips, it staples, comes back down, and releases. I'll give a quick explanation of how this thing works. Essentially, this is the cam follower. There's a cam below here. It's shaped the same way as this one. So right now, there's a follower here too. If you notice, you can see the follower on this side. In fact, this side is actually probably a little bit easier to explain. So as this turns, essentially what's going to end up happening is that follower is going to end up riding on the piece that's further out from the center on the cam. It's going to push the follower down, which is going to push on the pivot point this up. That essentially reaches. It has a next locking mechanism that causes it to click, and then it releases and comes back down as the cam reaches around and goes on the other side of the same follower. The follower goes on the other side of the cam. It's a very interesting mechanism. Nice, quite nice. Looks strong. Again, as I said, 40 watt motor.